Hello, good morning. Sobke welcome Grace. Achilaga Kopor Janai Des. Nagaland Chief Minister Nifurio Bra 14 Nagaland Legislative Assembly de Kotha Kuradam de Daigushigi Dimabur Railway Station Doile World Class Facility Banabo Kane Amrit Bharat Station Scheme Laga under de 283 crore allocate Kurigana select Kurishi Wase. Holebi unfortunately Bra Idu project Banabo Kane Amekange Mati Naigushe. Rio Bra Janai Dishiki developmental activities kan Nagaland de Kuribule Tiri Huijado Hele Mati laka issue bishi ase we ase Dimapur railway station do idu laka ekta example ase gushe Welebi daibra koishe ki station do ele bishi ekta state karne important ase gushe idu laka dispute pra tok kurubule allowed nidibo lagi gushe tai gushe ki Dimapur railway station do ele 1903 de inaugurate kurishe go ase PC sal bra railway department kan iku nokoigana poija garne land encroachment doile suru hoise gose piche de administrative authorities kan brabi area de thakya mati khan laga land pata khan bi issue gora suru hoise gose rio bra goyase ki state government kan Dimapur railway station laga land encroachment opor de railway khan logo de kotha kuribo goyase aro mati malik khan ge kunba compensation dibole la bi janase hoile bi compensation doile malik khan bra manga nisna double rate no hobo lage gose Minister Baiwang Konyak Prabi Chanai Diasiki Dimapur railway station de 614 families ba illegal bra railway land toile occupy kurigana ase gushe bishibak toile plan manukan ase gushe railway laka mati 53.806 acres laga 30.283 acres toile illegal bra ingosh kurigana ase goyase 1100 illegal structure kan building house dogan khan aro schools kan banai gana ase gushe minister baiwang bra janai dia ase ki itu laka issue ke address kurubule doile tinda option hi ase gushe state government bra 132 crore doile resettlement garne compensation di dibi nohoise gole do chobojos bra chaka do khali kuri dibi nohoile railway station doile nutun location de hi ship kuribi goigana dai bra bi janai dishe All Simi Students Union Canberra, Nagaland Police Department Kange, urge Korea Seki, Nagaland Police Constable Recruitment Laka, Examination Laka, Marks Kan, disclose Nuguribo Koina, Restriction Gura Laka Opote, reconsider Gurigana, Candidate Kan Laka, Marks Toile, disclose Guribule Laka, urge Kurisha. Students Body Canberra Goaseki, Candidate Canberra, Takan Laka, Marks Janibo Garni Doile, Takan Laka, right as Sequase, Transparency or Accountability Laka Opote, Fair Recruitment System Laka, fundamental principle ase goyase union bra goyase ki candidate laga marks disclose nuguribo gona restrict kura doile confuse aro candidate laga machote unnecessary doubt kan olai ase goyase union bra aro future examination lua laga humoi de optical marks recognition OMR do system doile implement guribule laga bi janese Lengma Zilosi Khanbra press release ti goyase February 24 aro March date 6 laga machote Siminyu district te thakya laga alag government department office te surprise visit kurule chashi goyase inspection ja laga humoi de janibule para doile Bishibak department khan de officer aro staff khan doile nijo laga posting jaga de absence hoigana pa laga opor de disappointment hua laga janese taikhan goise ki kumba department doile completely bra khulabi nukurigana pon thakishe ko ase idu nisna laga irresponsible attitude to ele highly condemnable ase goshe aro administrative accountability de serious left ase go ase rengma selosi khan bra chanai de ase ke Siminyu district te thakya laga officers aro employees khan ke go ase ke kam doile sincere bra responsible aro nijo laga duty doile regular bra kuribole laga janai dishe district te posting gurigana thakya laga matlab toile nije laga personal kam karne nohile ekta faida uthai gana bishi diri absence kuribole laga bhavana nukuribo lage goshe public office toile manukhan garni serve kuribo garni laga ase goshe idu nisna negligence bra welfare noile public laga biswas toile directly bra undermine guri ase goshe lengma selosi khan bra aro remind guri ase ke district te posting guri thakya doile nijo laga personal kam garni holiday period noile vacation bhavana nukuribo lage goshe holebi responsibility bra public khan ge dedication aro commitment bra kam kuribo lage goshe aro district te kimanda departmental khan functions kurigana ase idu khan ge discipline maintain kuribole regular attendance thakibole aro public ke phal service dibole laga janai dishe aro ringma jeloshi khan ba inform gre ase ge ta khan ba surprise checking gura laga details report to ele district administration ge submit kuribole laga bi janai dishe Home Department laga General Administration Branch pra notification issue kura ke kwa se ki idia thaka laga Wellness Council members kan laga 10 years to ele ulap moina bichede khatam hoi jabo gusha Nagaland Wellness and Tribal Council Act 1978 laga chapter 1 section 6 clause A laga hisab te recognize pusti kan ge nutun Wellness Council members kan select kuribole laga opor de janai dishe Nagaland Wellness and Area Council Rules 1979 Rule 3 laga hisab de Deputy Commissioner bra nijo laga respective jurisdiction there Sob recognized pusti kan ge 2026 pa lui gena 2031 tak thakibo karne nutun Wellness Council members kan select kuribole laga opor de janai dishe idu laga entire selection process to ele 31st April nuha age de complete hui jabo lake gushe aro nutun select kura laga Wellness Council members kan do ele Commissioner Office laga through state government ge submit kuribo lage gushe Marwia Naga area New Delhi de Manipuri Maiki aro tai laga transgender friend taichun ge physically assault kura laga opor de Delhi police kambra charjun juveniles ke arrest kurishe koina Monday din de janai dishe Delhi police laga report hisab te koi ase ki idu laga incidents report kura laga bichi de tai kambra area de red mara dem de accused ke arrest kurishe koi ase police kuishe ki accused manu do hoile juveniles thakishe ko ase aro tai kan ge further question guribo kane custody de luishe ko ase minor laka provision applicable hilaka hisab te legal proceeding do hele kuribo kena janai dishe report laka hisab te ko ase ke Manipuri chukri aro tai laka transgender friend kote Assam laka thakishe tai kan do hele area de thaka laga park te berai thakia laga humoi de kumba chokura khan ahi gena tai khan ge bia kotha do kushi ko ase Maiki bra ta khan laga kotha opor de object kura humoi de situations to ele tai khan duida side majo de jagra kura laga hoi jashe ko ase idu bichi de hi chokra khan bra idu duida maiki ke physically assault kurishe bunch bi kurishe aro belt khan ulai gana tai khan ke marishe ko ase idu laga information laga bichi de police kan osor de pungchi gana investigation do hele suru kurishe koi gana janai dishe Narcotic Control Bureau aro CRPF kan milai gana joint operation gora ke 2.6 crore laga 524.9 kg laga ganja do ele thurule parishi ko ase aro tuita truck trafficker ke arrest kurishi ko ase report laga hisab te Narcotic Control Bureau Guwahati Zonal Unit kan bra ekta information ba laga hisab te Sunday de CRPF kan logote milai gana drug ekta ke rokhai gana checking kurishi ko ase checking gora laga humoi de 524.9 kg laga ganja do ele paishe ko ase aro idu laga tam do ele 2.6 crore laga thagishe koina statement de janai dishe idu laga connection de duijon manu ke bi police kan ba arrest kurishe koina janai dishe Ajila khobor iman de rakhi di ase jidi komba manu nutun sai thakile moram bra subscribe like aro share kuri dibi koina request kuri di ase thank you